In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Google Calendar to your taskbar on Windows for easy and quick access. Whether you're juggling meetings, planning your day, or just trying to stay organized, having Google Calendar just one click away on your taskbar can make your life easier. So let's get started on simplifying your daily routines. First, to pin Google Calendar to your taskbar, you need to open up the Start menu. You can do this by either clicking on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu opens, you'll be greeted with a list of apps. The next step is to locate Google Calendar within this list. Typically, the apps are arranged alphabetically, so it might take a moment to scroll through and find it. Alternatively, you could use the search function by typing Google Calendar into the search bar, which should direct you right to it. Once you've spotted Google Calendar among your apps, you'll want to right-click on its icon. Doing so will bring up a context menu with several options. You're going to hover over the More option, which will reveal a submenu. From that submenu, go ahead and click on Pin to Taskbar. What you're doing here is essentially bookmarking Google Calendar to your taskbar, so it's always within easy reach whenever you need to check your schedule or add an event. And there you have it. The icon for Google Calendar should now be securely pinned to your taskbar. You'll notice it sitting there alongside your other pinned apps, like a digital tether to your schedule, always at the ready. This makes accessing your calendar just a one-click operation no matter what you're working on. By pinning Google Calendar to your taskbar, you ensure that it's always just a glance away, making your scheduling process seamless and swift. It's such a great convenience, especially if you're someone who frequently needs to refer back to your calendar throughout the day. And that's all there is to it. Remember, this isn't just limited to Google Calendar. You can use the same process to pin any application you frequently use to your taskbar, keeping your most essential tools right at your fingertips. So go ahead and give it a try and make accessing your calendar easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to enhance your digital workspace.